Want to enter the Disney Plus login 8-digit code? Here is how you can do it. First, go to Disney's official login webpage. Next, you have to select anyone either from sign up or log in. Just enter the basic details, like email ID and password, then verify it through your email ID which you are using during sign up. Remember, you have to select the subscription plan first. During the sign-up process it is mandatory to successfully run Disney Channel on your device. Then we come to the Disney Bundle. In this you get 3 plans. Disney Plus, Duo, Trio. Disney Plus may we get Basic Plan and Premium Plan. Then we come to Duo Plan. In this we get Duo Basic Plan and Duo Premium Plan. Then we come to Trio Plans. In this we get Trio Basic Plan and Trio Premium Plan. Next, and choose your payment methods. After that, but before the video is over, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Next you have to go to the login page where you have to enter your email address, tick the checkbox and accept the terms and conditions. Turn on your phone and go to Google and search disneyplus.com login/begin. After that, enter the 8-digit code displayed on your screen previously. Disney Plus will now be activated and you can start streaming. So, that's it. Thanks for watching.